Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send USDC from Exmo to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your assets safely and efficiently. USDC is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and moving it between exchanges like Exmo and Coinbase is easier than ever with the latest updates. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Coinbase Wallet. You'll need some USDC in your Exmo account, and don't forget to verify your Coinbase wallet address to avoid any mix-ups. Security is key in crypto, so always double-check everything before proceeding. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and find your USDC balance. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right next to your asset list. Step 2. Select USDC as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll need to choose the right network, like Ethereum, since USDC typically runs on that. If you're unsure, Exmo will show compatible networks. Stick with the one that matches your Coinbase wallet. Step 3. Enter your Coinbase wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from your Coinbase app to avoid typos. Then, input the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to check the transaction fees. They can vary, so aim for the lowest one to save some cash. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. Exmo will show you a summary. Make sure all details are correct. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Now, head over to your Coinbase wallet and keep an eye on the incoming funds. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure. And remember, never share your private keys or wallet details. If you run into any issues, both Exmo and Coinbase have helpful support resources. There you have it. That's how you send USDC from Exmo to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps, and you're now one step closer to managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.